Started posting 5 times a day and all of a sudden your views are drastically dropping, watch this video. Okay, so I'm having a slow content day, but I'm answering a lot of questions because I was traveling yesterday and I'm really exhausted. I don't actually feel like filming, but I feel like I can still help. So this is me showing up still. So I've had a few different people come to me who have said their videos have drastically dropped after posting 5 times a day. And there are essentially 2 reasons why that's happening. 1, people are posting their videos back to back to back, like 3 minutes apart or 30 minutes apart. And if your users and the algorithm is used to you only posting once a day or every other day, or maybe only 2 times a day, when you start to up your posting, it takes a second for your algorithm to catch up. Also, just posting them so closely together just means that they're gonna grow differently. So if you post them and they're not getting a lot of views, sometimes that's because it's getting out to the algorithm. Sometimes things go viral straight away. Sometimes things have a slow burn and take time to build. But if you are posting them back to back to back to back, think about the work that the algorithm has to do to put all your videos out. The second thing is sometimes even if you're posting 1 time a day or you're posting 5 times a day and your videos aren't doing well, you need to consider the techniques and the strategies that you are or are not using. Just because you're posting doesn't guarantee that you're gonna go viral. If your content isn't quality or at least has a little bit of quality, or if your content doesn't follow the strategies that are successful on TikTok, then they're probably not gonna do well. So posting just to say you posted 5 times doesn't guarantee that the video will actually do well. If you take into consideration the correct techniques and strategies, some of which actually a lot of which I show on my page and a lot of other people talk on TikTok about, if you aren't using those techniques, then your videos are not going to do well no matter how many times you post a day. Are you paying attention to formatting, right? Do you see black boxes on your videos or is it a full video just like this? Are you paying attention to duration, providing education and value, providing different variations in your content with audios, but also you sitting here talking? Are you being personable or are you being stiff and fake? Are you jumping on trending sounds as soon as they happen? Timeliness is super important. Are you doing a trending audio that was trending last year and isn't trending anymore? And if you're doing it right now, it's probably not going to get a lot of views because it's not trending unless it's resurfaced. If it hasn't resurfaced, then it's not going to do well. I'm saying this all to say those 2 things. 1, posting back to back to back in a short span of time is really difficult for the algorithm to digest. And secondly, effort doesn't equal execution. It's really important that you are posting 5 times a day, but you need to make sure that you're executing on the quality of posting. And when I say quality, it has nothing to do with you. It has more to do with what's working on the platform and are you following that structure?